Want to change your YouTube location or access country? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it in just a few taps. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open your account menu. From here, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now look for the location option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of different countries available for YouTube. Simply scroll through the list and select the country you want to switch to. Once you select it, YouTube will automatically update your location-based content. And that's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube access country in just a few steps. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.